What's up guys, this is Karan here, back with another video. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel, and as you can see, we are back with another video of MIUI 12 themes. There are a lot of themes available, and whichever the themes you have to use on your device, which are the best ever used themes, which best ever looking themes, everything in this video I'll try to show you, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started quickly now. Okay, as you can see, I have my device running MIUI 12 and we are gonna install some themes. These all are the third-party themes, so the link for these themes is already in the description. Make sure to check that. And also, if you don't know how to apply those themes, you can comment below. I'll tell you that how you can apply it, very easy steps. So the first theme which we are going to discuss today is Control V12. The author of this theme is Q'stock. Thanks to the author and developer. You can choose the build option from here on whichever items you want to apply this theme, or even if you just want to choose apply, you can choose the apply option directly from here, and after choosing apply, your theme will be applied successfully and you will see the notice. And this is one of the best ever themes I have ever used, even if you compare with MIUI 11 or MIUI 12. This is the theme available for MIUI 12 and this is just awesome. If we talk about the control center, this is how your control center will look alike, and yes, this is just awesome. All the things are properly themed. Your main 4 tiles are themed like this: mobile data, Bluetooth mobile data, and your Wi-Fi connection, and all other tiles are looking like this, and totally black and blue combination UI, which looks super duper great. Your home screen with icons and scrolling wallpaper, everything is just great. Not many extra customization options available, like settings have this type of now search option here and nothing else. Themes, if we talk about your phone dialer pad, you can see all the keys are themed and looking pretty much interesting. Also, other than that, no extra things are changed, like your status bar icons are a little bit of change, including your brightness and including your battery bar. Also, if we talk about your home screen, there are no major changes available. I think, yep, there are no major changes at all. Home screen is almost same, just the wallpaper changed, nothing else. So this was the first theme. I hope you like this theme. Let's move on to the second theme in my list. The second theme in my list is Blue V12. The link for this theme is also in the description. Make sure to download that from there. Author is same, Q'stock. So simply click on apply after importing this theme and your theme will be applied successfully, and this is how it looks. The icon pack will be from Samsung's One UI, and all other things are same with blue and black combination, which looks pretty much interesting. If we talk about control center, little bit of themed icons are here. No many customization options, but in the terms of UI, you can see everything look like this, blue and black combination. Actually, this is just the wallpaper, and this one is, I think, transparent type of thing, nothing else. If you talk about your dialer pad, this one is also same like blue and black combination, and a lot more things. This was the second theme. I already told you these are not the many customized options available for any theme, but in the terms of looking good, it is just beautiful. As you can see, it looks good and it keeps your device looks just awesome. Let's move on to third theme in my list, and the third theme which I am gonna discuss with you is from the same author. This one is Android Q'stock V12. It will give you the look of Android 10 on your MIUI 12 device. Let me just show you after applying. You can see this is how it looks. It looks great. All the icons from Pixel device. You can double click to change your wallpaper. Whichever wallpaper you like, you can choose that one. There are a lot of wallpaper options available, I think 3 or 4, and looks cool. And if you talk about other things, all icons are same like this. If you talk about your control center is also customized, and all the icons are looking just great. As you can see, your settings icon is there, is also looking good. You can easily move on to your settings, and all things are same. Settings icons are also changed like your Android Q device. This one is also like Android Q device. Also, this one is MIUI 12 Rev OS 20.5.27. so if you have not watched the review till now, the review is available on my channel. Make sure to check that and check out what are the features you get here and is it the best ever MIUI 12 ROM or not. If we move on to other theme, let me show you another theme in my list. This one is Q'stock V12. The author is same Costantino, and simply click on apply after importing all these themes, and after applying you will see this kind of change. Your home screen will look like this, and it looks also very much impressive. If we talk about your status bar icons like network, Wi-Fi and battery indicator, all things look changed and looking perfectly. And also in control center there are some changes available here too. So these are all the changes. If we talk about your lock screen, wait, let me just show you. In my lock screen there are, I think, some changes available here like this. Some customization options available where you can launch your weather app directly from here. If you want to use calculator, you can use calculator from here, recorder from here. Your torch icon is available. If we talk about lock settings, it have no settings options. It just showing you the option of settings but no customization options. I am using some time. And at last, this one is 0. This one is already available on the theme store, and I already made a video on this one too, and also I've shown you this theme. If you have not seen this yet, you can check out right now. This is how it looks. Your home screen with gradient blue and white combination. Your status bar icons look like this. All the icons are perfectly themed, and animated settings icons are also themed like this. This is how it looks. No extra customization options but looking perfect and all these kind of things. So these were all the themes for today's video on MIUI 12 themes, best ever themes. So I hope you like all the themes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.